Today I'm going to be sharing all of my must-have items for a back-to-school homeschool mom survival kit. Hey guys, welcome back to day 5 of our back to school week, an annual celebration that I host here on my channel each August just to celebrate the back to school season. I have been posting videos every single day this week with back to school content, specifically with curriculum picks for each one of my 5 kids. But today I have something very special. It is our giveaway. I've been talking about this all week. I'm going to go through and share my must-have items for a back to school homeschool mom survival kit. Some of my personal favorites and treats and things that I think are great for a homeschool mom to start a new school year. So I have a big box over here. Hold on. It's heavy. These are all items that are going to be included in the giveaway. So these are my personal favorites, things that I purchased or had for myself to start out this school year. And I bought double of everything, one for me and one to give away, a care package that I can send to one of you guys, one of my viewers, as just a fun and special gift to say thank you. Thank you for being part of this community. Thank you for watching our videos, and just thank you. Thank you for supporting our channel. And so this is just a little gift from me to you to just tell you how much I love you guys. All right, so let's just start out, go through each of these items. First up, of course, is coffee, a coffee mug. I bought one of these for me and I bought one for you. I think every homeschool mama needs to hear this. It says, "You're doing great." This is from Target. It was about $6, I think. I love it. I love neutral colors. You guys know this. I feel like it's just about the same paint color as my homeschool room here. And it has all these wonderful white flower designs. I also love mugs that are double-sided, that have it on both sides so that no matter which hand you hold, you can read what is on your mug and whoever you're with can read it. So this is number 1 item in my homeschool mama care package. To go along with it, of course, I cannot give you a coffee mug without coffee. So a bag of my favorite Starbucks coffee. And who can't have coffee without sugar? One of my favorite things, you guys see me snacking on these on my channel here from time to time, a nice big thing of gummy bears. All right, so some other homeschool mom supplies that I just think help to get you excited about doing new curriculum with your kids. First of all, new pens. I love erasable pens, in particular these Frixion erasable different colored pens. I shared this on my Amazon haul a few weeks back. But I absolutely love these pens. I like to use them in my planners. I color coordinate. I give each one of my kids, for instance, I always write things for Noah in green and things for Leah in purple and things for Mariah in pink. I assign each one of my kids their own little color, and it just helps me to stay organized. So a brand new pack of Frixion pens. And then to kind of go along with that, this was a new product to me and I absolutely love it. These are erasable highlighters from Frixion, and they are the pastel colors. I've tried these out. I have highlighted, I have erased. They are wonderful. They do not bleed through. I used them in my planner. They did not bleed through the paper. So I feel like these would be great for when you're reading books or highlighting or doing things with your kids. Wonderful, wonderful highlighters. Up next is Postit Notes. I don't know about you guys, but I can never have enough Post-it notes. I use them as bookmarks. I use them in my planner. I use them in all of our curriculum, all kinds of things. And so I really liked this little book I found on Amazon. It's just this black little leather. And when you open it up, it has flags and Post-it notes of all different sizes and shapes and colors. And so I feel like this is great. It will help me to keep all of my Post-it notes in one place and give me lots of options of ones I can use. Speaking of Post-it notes, this is kind of related to that. I bought some of these Avery Tabs. These are 2-sided, writable, smudge-free. They're just like little Post-it note tabs. I have a planner that I love, but I just don't love that it doesn't have enough tabs. And so I wanted something really pretty and really decorative to put on the edge. And so I just really loved the color and the design of these. There are 24 of these, 6 of each color. So I thought these were such a great deal and so pretty. Speaking of Post-its and things like that, next up I have some little magnetic bookmarks. Now, I found these at the Dollar Tree, but I also keep some in my Amazon store that are from Amazon that are marbled. But I just love these. These are, if you've never seen these before, these are just those little magnetic bookmarks that you can put on a page of a book and they kind of clip and snap together. I like to use these in planners. I like to use these for our read alouds and for all sorts of things. So 6 little magnetic bookmarks. Next up, a paper product. This is from Emerging Green. This is just a little notebook or spiral notebook that has lined paper in it. I absolutely love it because it is made out of recycled paper products. Emerging Green actually contacted me and sent this to me for free, and they sent me a 3-pack. So I'm going to keep a couple and send one to you. But I just feel like a new notebook, a little journal, a place to jot down notes or ideas or thoughts really helps me to stay organized as I am starting out a new homeschool year. Next up is not necessarily a school supply in the classical sense, but it is something that I always purchase to start out a new school year or start out a new season, and that is new nail polish. I don't know what it is, but I just feel better about myself, and if I have my nails painted, I feel more prepared for the day, and it puts a little extra pep in my step. And for me, as a busy homeschool mama with 5 kids, I don't have time to go get my nails done very often. I don't have time to sit around and wait for my nails to dry endlessly. And so this is a product that I found this year that I'm addicted to. I love. This is by Essie. It's called the Expressi, and it is quick dry nail polish. And let me tell you, I have probably 6 or 7 different shades of this nail polish, and it dries fast. I mean, within 2 minutes, your nails are dry, smudge free. You can go right back to doing what you're doing. And so I absolutely love this nail polish. I thought I would buy just this really fun kind of red shade to share with you guys. Let's see if I can get that without a glare. There we go. It's a reddish orange shade, made me think of apples for back to school. So just a little fun treat for you, homeschool mama, so that you can paint your nails and just feel a little extra special to start out the first day of school. Oh, I got thirsty. I almost forgot. I am including this in the giveaway. This was a water bottle that I bought back at the beginning of the summer, and I use this every single day, twice a day. It has been wonderful for me. I love the fact that it's tie-dye. It's kind of a fun little shade here. But this is a water bottle that tracks your hydration by the hour. So you can fill it up, and you know that you can drink this much by 8 a.m., this much by 10 a.m., this much by 1 p.m., and then you refill it and do it again. And you're able to get in your 64 ounces of water for the day or more if you need to. So I like this. I feel like it helps to remind me to stay hydrated throughout the day, not just in big spurts. And I don't know about you, homeschool mama, but I get busy and I forget to drink. I drink all the coffee and not the water. So these are 2 items that I like to keep at our homeschool table at all times while we are doing school: coffee and water. So I'm including a coffee mug and a water bottle. All right, so moving on to books. First of all, I've already mentioned this book a few weeks ago on my channel. I told you that it would be coming in the giveaway, but this is The First Day of Homeschool by Caitlin Harris. This is a wonderful book to start out your first day of school, something fun to read to your kids to kick off a new school year. Caitlin was kind enough to send me a copy and to send a free copy for one of you guys. I will make sure to link the video down below where Caitlin came on and talked about this book on my channel, and then I also shared 6 picture books that feature homeschooling families. These are all wonderful options just to have as a special way to start off the first day of homeschool. And since I'm including a book for you to read to your kids, I also wanted to have a book for you to read for yourself, for you mama. And so this is Grace Lace, Discovering Timeless Truths Through Seasons of the Heart. This is by Ruth Shaw Simons, and I absolutely love this book. I have read it cover to cover more than once. It is just a seasonal devotional that you can read very quickly when you are just needing a little dose of encouragement, a little spoonful of biblical truth. Grab this book, sit down and look at its beautiful paintings, beautiful artwork, and you can just sit down and get refreshed, get encouraged by the wonderful devotionals in this book. All right, guys, well, that is it. Those are all of the items that I'm going to be including in this back to school giveaway. These are what I consider homeschool mom survival kit items. Things that you can have to refresh and encourage yourself to start a new homeschool year with your kids. So all of the details about the giveaway are listed down below in the description box, but simply what you need to do is watch each of the videos that I posted this week in the Back to School series. Comment on each of those videos with the question of the day. Today's question is going to be, what is your favorite item in this box? Which thing do you look most forward to possibly winning? Is it the nail polish? Is it the coffee mug? Is it a book? I would love to know which one of these items is your favorite. All right, guys, well, I hope that this excites you to start out a brand new homeschool year with your kids. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and stick around because next week I will be posting a homeschool room tour of our newly updated homeschool room that is fresh and almost ready to start our new homeschool year. So be sure to come back next week to check that out. I hope you guys are enjoying the end of your summer. See you later.